My name is Black Elisha, the master of spiritual padlocks. I am here to tell you that if you want your life to change, you need to get a spiritual padlock. A spiritual padlock to unlock your life, to unlock your business, to unlock your marriage, to unlock your finances, to unlock your star, and to unlock your academic skills. This spiritual padlock, it can also be used to lock things. We can lock the accidents, we can lock witches, we can lock the thieves, we can lock the evil spirits, then we can lock the cheating partners. This is the use of the spiritual padlock. You can't miss this opportunity to change your life and to have a fresh and healthy marriage, so that you may not contact any diseases. You need to look that cheating partner. Zita rangu ninonzi Black Elisha, the master of spiritual padlock. Nasi ndoda kukuudza kuti iwewe unoda spiritual padlock. Spiritual padlock inovhura business. Spiritual padlock inovhura mari. Spiritual padlock inovhura lucky. Spiritual padlock inovhura anything unoda kuti ivhure ne spiritual padlock. Then spiritual padlock inovhara, inoloka ma cheating partners, inoloka mbava, inoloka ma accidents, inoloka any evil things. Spiritual padlocks inoita zvese zvino. But nasi ndoda kutaura newe kuti if iwewe une mkomana omsikana ari kukuchita, unoda spiritual padlock. Unoda spiritual padlock because iye munhu achakuvigira a disease. So nasi ndoda kuti tsvakai spiritual padlock kuitira kuti upenyu hwako ufambe zvakanaka. Unoda spiritual padlock kuprotecta your life. Unoda spiritual padlock in every corner of your life. Unoida spiritual padlock. Uri kutaura na Black Elisha. God bless you. Amen. Ibizo lami ngu-Black Elisha, the master of spiritual padlocks. Ngilapha ukuzokugqugquzela kutshela ukuthi ngalesi sikhathi sempilo udinga i-spiritual padlock. I-spiritual padlock sokuvula umsebenzi. Spiritual padlock sokuvula ama-business. Spiritual padlock sokuvula imali. Spiritual padlock sokuvula umtshado. I-spiritual padlock siyasebenza futhi lokubopha indoda echithayo lomfazi ochithayo. Spiritual padlock siyasebenza ukulokha amasela, ukulokha abathakathi, ukulokha imimoya ehlupha abantu. Ungakhuthelwa yilesi spiritual padlock. Mele ube lazo ukwenza ukuthi ungabi lomkhuhlane. Amadoda akuthelela umkhuhlane, abafazi bakuthelela umkhuhlane. Ibalayo i-spiritual padlock yokulokha ukuthi i-cheating partner yakho ingakuchithi.